Don't upload another video until you watch this video from beginning to the end. If you're uploading videos on YouTube and your videos are not getting views, it is one of these mistakes that you are making before uploading your video that is killing your video reach. Most small creators ignore this. Let's imagine, after the stress of creating content, filming your video, the editing, creating eye-catching thumbnails and titles, at the end of the day, finally you upload the video. The next thing you see, 0 views, 5 views, 10 views, 20 views. This can be so frustrating. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 things you are doing wrong and how you can fix them. I bet you don't want to miss the last one because that is the game changer. After you edit your video, you see this joy of upload the video. Let me just send it. Let's upload it. You end up uploading that video without giving YouTube the proper clear understanding of your video, what your video is all about. Then you end up uploading video with a code like this. The moment you upload your video with this kind of code, you're already making a very big mistake on that video. That code is an irrelevant code that YouTube does not understand. So now the moment you upload your video, YouTube read everything on your video, your description, your hashtags, your titles, and even your file name. So if your file name is not SEO optimized, then YouTube finds it difficult to suggest that video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your file name to SEO optimized keyword so that whenever people are searching for content like yours will appear. So let's dive straight to the video. After editing your videos with CapCut or any other app you use to edit your video, that video always have a code. You need to change that code to SEO keyword so that YouTube will understand your video. So what you will do is that you export the video the moment you finish editing the video. Let's export this. For instance, we have exported the video here to gallery. So what I will do is that come to this place, this is the video, I'll click on it. Once you click on it, you see share, you see favorite, you see delete. You will come to share, you click on share. Bring it to this place, you see add to album, you see export, new quick note, you see save to file, you click on save to file. So once it's saved to file, come to this place, you click save. That the video have saved to your file. The next thing to do, let's go to file and check for the video. You search. This is the video here. This video has code. It's just a mail code on it. This code is irrelevant code. It doesn't have any meaning. If you send your video like this, the moment you upload it from CapCut direct to your YouTube, YouTube will not understand this video because it does not have SEO keyword. If you do not set this thing properly, your video may not get view on YouTube. So what you do, you click on it. If you click on it, you will see get info, rename, compress, duplicate, show a closing folder. You see quick lock, open with. So we are talking about rename. You click on that pencil icon like this. What you do, you delete this name. Now for instance, some people's own, it will show at the end of that code, you see MP4. Please don't delete that MP4. Don't delete it. What you delete is the code that comes before that MP4. For those of you using iPhone or any other phone you use, maybe you check your own, you do not see the MP4 at all. Don't panic, but don't write it again. Just put the name you want to use for the video. So some phones are not using it. Like this phone, it does not have that. So you just write the name you want to write. Some phone hide it. It's not that they don't have it, they hide it. So what you do, just write the name. Let me use a simple name for this teaching. So you write how to get views. How to. So you come to this place, click this underscore. You will see underscore here. You click underscore. How to. You come here again, you click underscore. Don't look at this and say it's very hard. It's not hard. This is little sacrifice you have to make for your video to pave way. So I'll come here again, get view. Get view, come here, click underscore. So this is how you do it. Let's say this is the name I want to use. I don't want this teaching to be long, so this is the name I want to use for this video. What I will do, I will just save it. Come to this place that mark good. I'll click here. It has saved. The name have changed. If you look at these ones up here, you will see that these ones have code. The next thing I'll do, I'll click on it. When you click on it, you see copy, move, share. So I'll click on share. Once I click on share, you see copy, save video, new quick note, view more. So where I will click is save video. I'll click on that save video. I've sent it to my gallery. That video is ready to go. So if you want to take it, it has come to this, and when you look at it, it was only one when we pick it. Now it's two here. So this is the one we pick. This one, this video is ready to go now. So this is the right way to upload your video. Don't upload your video without SEO keyword, because if you do that, you are not giving that video chance at all. You are not giving YouTube clearance about your videos. You are not helping that video to get views. This is a simple trick that can help you get more visibilities on YouTube, that can help your video appear on search bar when people are searching for video like that, your video. So you have to make this small sacrifice before you upload your videos, so that your video will have, at least we have chance of performing well. You give your video that chance to perform well. So I hope you find value on this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and also subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. After this video today, I want you to make it upload routine, a habit that you must change your file name to SEO keywords, so that YouTube will be able to understand and who to send your video to. Number 2, this is a mind-blowing, the game changer, and a lot of small creators ignore this. This shows the difference between a struggling creator and a growing creator. Mistake you always do is the format through which you upload your video. If you're uploading your video using YouTube plus sign, it affects your growth, while it restricts you from having access to some features that can help your video get suggested by YouTube, appear in suggested videos. Chrome version does is that it gives you access to some features that helps you to get suggested in suggested videos and help YouTube to suggest your video to a whole lot of people. Now remember, for your video to appear in suggested video and for YouTube to suggest your video to a whole lot of people, you have 99.9% work to do on that. Now for you to be able to upload your video through Chrome version, so if you are using Android phone, you use your Chrome. I'm using smartphone, that's I'm using this Safari. You just click on it, you click on this place. What you do is that you come to this place. Let me zoom it a little bit. You come to this side, say create. When you create here, say upload videos. Now if you're uploading video, you can see this place, say drag and drop videos file to upload. Select file. Once you click on this black something here, it asks you photo library, take photo or videos, choose file. You go to photo library. Once you click on it, bring you straight to your videos. It appears on content. This is the video I uploaded from Chrome version. Here you add your description, you add a lot of things, and this place you can be able to do some things which I'll make video on what you need to do here so that your video will get suggested. Then the most important thing that you really need to do every time you want to upload your video is to add your end screen and card. This end screen and card is the only place you can do is through this Chrome version. And if you upload your video through that plus sign, you're just sending it to YouTube without suggested videos, without giving YouTube access to your suggested video. That video YouTube will suggest to people, so that will meet your growth. Now this very end screen and card advertise the other videos that you have. So that is the way you upload video on YouTube using your Chrome version. I hope you understand this. Good. So how you do it is that you come to this place, you see end screen here, then card as well. You can see how many cards I add on this video. I add how many cards? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can add at least 5 cards on each video that you create, and also add subscribe your channel to it. So features you can only get access to it when you use this Chrome version. Very important. I'm Shavera. In this channel, I teach small creators how to grow, monetize their channel, and the do's and don'ts they need to avoid here on YouTube. So if that is really what you want, hit that subscribe button.